Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Citra supports QR scanning. Use Canary or Nightly builds because they include camera/QR hooks. Next, load Pokémon Ultra Sun so the game is ready to receive data. Once done, make sure the camera or QR plugin is enabled under emulation. Right arrow configure right arrow camera. This connects Citra to the image source. You're doing this now to avoid later permission problems and to ensure the in-game QR scan option will detect the emulator's camera feed immediately. You now open the in-game QR scan in Festival Plaza and prepare the QR image. For reliability, use a saved PNG/JPG on your PC. Point Citra's virtual camera at that image rather than a phone screen. To do this, set camera to virtual in Citra's camera settings, then browse and select the image path. Once selected, return to the game and press scan. The emulator feeds the static image to the scanner, increasing success rate versus photometric capture from a device camera. Finish by allowing the game to process the QR data. You should see the import confirmation. Accept it and save your game to lock changes. If the scan fails, make sure the QR image has high contrast and is not rotated. Crop to a clean 1024 x 1024 area or adjust brightness, then retry. If problems persist, restart Citra, reselect the virtual image, or try the other build, Canary versus Nightly. These steps fix camera, timing, or plugin incompatibilities that commonly block scans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.